my father, how long you doing this?
Anyway.
16 years.
Really? And you look like you're about 25 or so?
Yeah, no, definitely. At the fireside, man. Keep me young.
Yeah.
So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Hello to you, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Claudeaz Corner. Happy new year to you all. Best wishes for the new year. Although last year had its challenges. I'm not even gonna say a bad year, but you know, we have to just give thanks and grateful that we're here and that we live to see 2021. So today I'm just making another jerk stop. Yes, man, I love jerk chicken. I love Jamaican food. And what I'm trying to do is I'm featuring some of the little spots in St. Catherine. You know, we're always going to Kingston and other places out of town. So we're heading to this jerk spot on your way down on Old Harbour Road, and it's right across from the Jam Pet gas station, right in the little island, and that is in front of Willowdean. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Remember to hit that notification bell, and don't be afraid to comment below. Let me know what you think. You're here, sir? Okay. So these are the chefs. So what's your name, miss? Yes?
Oh, Joanna.
Joanna, oh.
Yeah, Rosie and Eva Powers.
Oh.
Then I said,
So Miss Boss Lady, come talk to me now. Of course. Miss Rosie. Come talk to me now. Well, so I go still. So how long you doing this?
15 years.
Wow.
15 years, something like that.
Oh, so when you were cooking at home first and then you just start to venture
No,
out?
it start from crab.
Crab?
So
Oh.
you go to Mavada?
Oh.
Mavada?
Crab first.
Oh.
Oh.
Then start jerk. Roast fish Mavada, then jerk chicken. That's up, yes. Roast fish, then jerk chicken. Him alone start, you know, then we come in.
Oh. So how long you doing this?
Same 14 years.
Okay, you love it?
I love it now, but it's actually for work.
You love when you cook and people tell us your food nice, because
Right,
I do cooking
right,
too, so I like that. You understand me?
Right.
She not quick to tell her I want the people that with flat right this night.
Yeah. Me know, cause that's why when we come here, you know, we always, you see, first time we come here, we drive down the strip and we look which part the people them the mostly.
But me know him long time.
Oh, you know him long
Yeah,
time?
but me, him always a buy alone.
Oh, no, because me always like
Yeah,
her.
you always like her, but
Yeah.
me always a buy alone.
Eh, I don't be a stranger.
Come here.
Of course.
Long time.
And me making come here.
Are you making come here?
Yeah, because I me always want food. It's me making come here. Whatever. So, this is the great Movado. And everywhere I go. And I'm foreign alone everywhere over the world, you there. Eh? But people still are watch same way. So my father, how long you doing this? Eh? Years? Oh.
16 years.
Really? And you look like you're about 25 or so?
Yeah, no, definitely. At the fireside, man. Keep me young.
Yeah. Alright. We're gonna need what we gonna order today?
Well, I wish we don't work on fireside today because I work give you a grade or this.
Alright. Oh, you remember you didn't come there separate without me. So you remember him too? I'm going to need what do you need? Kingsley? 2 chicken? Or 3 chicken? Him said the pork don't already eat. Yeah man, separate bag. But me want leg and thigh.
two bread.
Yeah. Yeah, festival? We have none. We love the food, so that's why you see when we come back, we really come back. Yeah. And I love the soup, and you know, I love the festival them. Yeah. No, I love it because you just bite it, just melt in your mouth. Yes. Near to it, yes. That's no, ask him the same thing I tell him now when we buy the time. Because
the only thing with El Chano, they mix them with something. But who when they apply that everything is natural.
Oh.
To me, El Chano put something.
Like them, if you look at the taste, like them put lasco in there.
Right, the lasco, coconut, or something.
Yes.
We just natural.
Even when we make festival, we can't get it so.
Everybody have to show you, over have to show you. If you can one time to eat, you get it.
Over there, you can't show me.
One time to eat, you get it. That's all I need.
You're not right to have two times.
No, I'm not right to have. I have to come buy food same way. Hello, on the time.
Show me, I'm going to show you. I must have become secret.
No, me have a secret. I'm a cook too. I cook. I'm mostly cooking with the on my channel, you know. But my vlog. So like now, I'm on the road. We just come on, like we just go down and just.
Your channel is out channel.
Claudeaz Corner. Yeah man, search for your phone. Him did that show Movada, that's how I go. So if at any point you're driving past, hungry lick you and you smell the food, stop by, support these local businesses. Tell them Claudeaz Corner send you.
So cook for it.
We cook, you know, so sometimes, yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
What's the name on YouTube?
Claudeaz Corner.
Claudeaz.
Claudeaz Corner. No, you don't have the pepper. You don't make the pepper.
Pepper sauce.
Wait, for the leg. And one of the breasts.
For the muffins breast.
So that's a natural sauce that you make?
Yeah, this is crunchy pepper.
Yeah?
Came up with some other ingredients.
Oh, you know what? Tell me all your stuff though. Yeah.
Yeah, let's know the secret. Yeah.
I do most of the stuff in my use. Hello, I do one sauce.
That's it now. See Canada. Wow, festival too. Me want pumpkin chicken. 3 and a cup of the pumpkin chicken.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
3 of them.
We're going to wait on the festival, right?
Yeah.
Hey, BJ jump out the bus on the car. You know what I'm saying? You want a new bus.
I have one so early.
Oh, me? I'm hungry when I go to work again. You see yesterday? I don't run. You know why? But they locked down. They turn off like the ignition. You see how I'm going to go to the start. I'm going to take the piano. And some is here. And the car start, you know. But what your body?
What type of work you do? Eh? What type of work you do?
Alright. You want to know what I work, you know?
Yeah.
Alright, me do the jamming work. Yeah. Different. Yeah.
What type of work you do? Tell me now.
Yeah.
Oh, taxi drive. Okay.
Who tell taxi?
Eh?
Who tell taxi? Who tell you that? No man, me not tell you that.
How much you put in? Eh? 100? Alright, so they also sell. Is what is sweet potato pudding? Okay, sweet potato pudding.
understand her. Yeah, and me not too like the interview business because you know me go crazy sometimes.
No, but with your profession, you're always on the road, so people know you anyways.
No, people ever know me. That is not the problem. You still don't understand.
You're popular already,
You continue video. Like what? Yeah, movie star?
That's what I want to be.
Oh, what I want to be?
A movie star.
Oh, Jesus, me just ask you that I say no. But what you don't know what you want to be. So you have video me.
Oh my God.
Me say if you want to be a movie star, what you say no? But
No,
you
I'm say yeah.
No, you didn't say no.
Alright, my apologies. Alright. Yeah, me can run back it here.
Oh,
See, that's
you
why.
can run back it here by here, you said. Yeah, you said answer me.
Alright, so what's your name?
Oh, so you want to know my name too?
Yes.
Well, yeah, make us know. The right name video.
No, your street name. Just give me a street name. That's fine.
You want me street name?
Just like when they run a taxi or something, when people call you.
Okay. Rum cup.
Rum cup.
Just to show you, me ever under me rum. Yes! No, I want to know what me. Me no comedian. You say me a comedian? Make it. What? No, I know. That's the way that I say now. Because I need to go over here for the way that. Yeah. I want to know. If she put me over here, I'm about to hear that.
I know, man, it is, you know. No, wait. No, just what you said the doctor say.
I need my chicken. I need the pepper. You see?
Yeah.
You can't chip it in.
Me not chicken. So real people, real fun, real laughter. You can't get more authentic than this. Oh, okay. Another part of sister.
A lot of people say we look alike.
Yeah. I don't look alike for two. Oh, mommy. Well, that kind of. Oh, especially the split teeth too.
Yeah, full of both.